So I did a thing. What, Oni? Oh, the sweet boy. I needed a necessary upgrade. It's been 5 years with this previous phone. It was nice, but we'll still keep him as a backup. He served me well. Goodbye. But yeah. I'm not sure how I feel about that. That'd be fun. That would be fun, actually. We should think about that at some point. Judgy fish. Anime food tarot.
Very specific.
Yeah, it really is. Like the Supernatural and the Meryl Streep. It's so funny to me. I love that. If you want, I might get this at some point. Not yet, but I've been looking at it for a while.
Doesn't really give you an idea of what many of them look like.
No, I had to look it up online, but pretty awesome. I do really like that too. I have so many on my list. See emblems. A very gay book.
Trixie and Katya's Guide
Tale
to
of Two
Modern
Titties. Oh, yes. That is fantastic. I do really like the turtle one. Carry it or roll it? I will carry it for now. I'll probably roll it at some point. These feel so nice. It'd be so comfy. Actually, especially yoga pants. It's gonna be amazing during the summer. From the side, I thought this was a skirt, but now I realize they're shorts, and I'm not sure how I feel about that. I see why they're in a TJ Maxx. Ooh. These are nice. These feel really nice. Oh, they're only $10 too. Yeah, they have the built-in stuff too. Oh, I'm gonna have to get these. What is this? Like a sage or something? Mold basil. Nice color. This one doesn't have anything. Oh. Knock this thing over. Okay. Yeah, this is more what I was looking for. Is it at 13 minutes? Really good. Because I saw this at TJ Maxx, and I don't like how big it is. This one is a lot smaller. It'll be way more appropriate for me. There's also this, which is phone sized. This one's different. This one's more like swooshy. This one, wait a minute. What is this one? Yeah. I do like the pocket too. That'd be good for my phone and like little accessories. Guess we're getting that as well. One for hiking, one for easy everyday travel, so I don't have to carry my Kangen everywhere. Oh, this has shorts too. Yes. $7, nice. Feels so nice. Outfit's super cute. We're doing it. These. I usually don't wear greens this light, but they feel so nice. And I'm looking for cat-friendly loungewear for at home. Great price. Oh, these are a medium. Why are they on a small then? These are small. I feel these cat-friendly loungewear.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to get this. All right. Okay. I need to get the fuck out of here before I spend any more money. Oh yeah, I love these. All right, I am ready, almost ready for dinner.
Okay, what are you thinking?
I have no idea. Burgers, maybe?
Anywhere in particular?
I haven't decided yet.
Projected earnings.